Alright, here's Gideon doing the Valentine heart drop, conversation heart drop for our Valentine's Day party. He's aiming carefully. He scores! And I can't see, all I can see is his hair. I can't even see his face. There he is.
I gotta do this, huh?
Look at that concentration. Good job.
I close one eye, you can see.
You close one eye. Alright, tell us what your technique is, Gideon.
My technique is to close one eye, and it's easy. You just stay in the middle and then you get
I see. Seems to be working for you.
That's how I'll get 20.
Is that how you'll get 20?
You can't get 20. This is my hand. This is my second hand. Oh, I got 19.
Bebop, bebop, bebop. Nice job, Gideon.